Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Skool as a beginner, so let's get right into it. Now, Skool is a platform where people are allowed to make their own communities, which serve several different purposes. Some of them for learning new skills, some of them are to just gather people to discuss certain topics, etc., etc., and that is pretty much the gist of it. Now, people can earn through Skool by making those groups that they make paid for or have a subscription, but that is completely up to them, and there are a lot of free ones. So once you first make your account, you'll be brought to the Discover tab, where you can go ahead and search for groups or communities that fit you best. You have some general filters you might apply, or you can just search for a specific community if you want. You can list through all of them and find which ones work best for you. Some of them are, as I mentioned, free. Most of them are. Some of them do have a subscription. For example, this one has a $10 a month subscription, and pretty much all you have to do is just find the one you want and then join. And once you join, you'll be able to interact with the people in that group, in that community. You'll be able to interact with their activities, discuss with them things, learn some things if they upload any informative videos, etc., etc. Now, you can also make your own community. You can just go here and click create a community. This does require your credit card information. You do get a free 14-day trial. However, after that, it is $100 per month to keep up, which is the reason some of them actually require a subscription. Now, as you can see, that is pretty much what you need to do. However, I have already created a group, and I'm not going to create a new one. So now that I have a community, you can go ahead and set everything up. You can invite people, add a description, customize it to your liking, add whichever things you based your community around. Then you can go into settings and set up all the options. You can invite people to it. You can make a custom URL. You can set up the pricing scheme if you want to. You can also enable a 7-day free trial. You do need to connect to Stripe to process payments. However, you also have the dashboard where you can overview the traffic and other analytics. You have also other metrics, and you can also have gamification to gamify your course or your community in whichever way you want. You can also, of course, customize your subscription to that community, etc., etc. But those are basically the most basic functionalities of Skool. Once you do that, you just need to explore more, and you'll get the gist of it pretty quickly. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.